You want to know if your connection works smoothly, or you feel that your synchronization is broken and you want to know why, you're in the right place. The status page is here to help. Let me show you how it works. First, we have the Airtable Token status section. The status has to be active. If it's broken or inactive, it means that we cannot connect to your Airtable account and then to your Airtable SyncBase. If it's broken, it's maybe because you delete your personal access token, or you remove scope or access permission, not all of them, but just one, for example, for your token, or you change your Airtable SyncBase to another workspace. So go through all these scenarios and see what is the right one, and contact us on the live chat to get help. Then we have Webhooks. SyncBase rely on different things, and Webhooks is part of them. It means that we receive Webhooks when you're doing an update on Shopify or Airtable, so we need active Webhooks. If it's inactive, it's maybe because you sync like only one-way sync direction in your preferences. It means that you, for example, only select Airtable to Shopify synchronization, so your Shopify webhooks will be inactive. No worries if this is the case. But if you select the two-way sync and you have some inactive webhooks here, you will see that a button will appear to click on refresh webhooks. If you click on it, it should go to active. Again, if your sync preferences is not two-way sync but only one-way sync, just keep in mind that it's totally fine that if your status is inactive. The third section is task. So if you're doing bulk updates, for example, or you are running other apps with a lot of different tasks that will affect your synchronization, we will have to run a lot of updates, and we have limitation from Airtable and Shopify API. So the way we are handling it is that we are storing your updates one by one in a queue, and we are processing them one by one. So for example, if you are doing a bulk update and then you are doing a single update, it won't be instancing because we have to proceed all tasks first you did during your bulk update. So if this is happening, then you will see that you have a number of tasks into your queue. No worries, it's processing, and you can be sure that this is processing by clicking on this button and see if the number of tasks is like lowering down. So you can keep clicking on it. And if you feel that your task on your queue is stuck, you can, of course, reach out to us on the live chat here, but you can also discard all tasks. Take care, if you discard all tasks, you will lose all updates you've made into Airtable or Shopify, and it won't be reflected on the other tool. And last but not least, we have the errors monitoring. So in each Airtable SyncBase, the app creates a sync error tables. To access it, you just have to click on this button and it will open your Airtable SyncBase into the sync errors tab. If anything's wrong happening during a synchronization, because for example, you choose the wrong format, or you change or you delete any field you cannot delete, then you will see that you will get an error with what happened to which record and what the cause. Everything will appear here, so feel free to check it. You can also create alerts, for example, so as soon as there is a new record, it means a new error into this tab. Then you can create like email alerts, Slack alerts, etc. thanks to Airtable automation, and then you will know that something wrong happened to your synchronization. That's now done for the status page. If you have any question, you can of course reach out to our live chat here, and we will reply as soon as we can.